It's May the 12th. This is the second video of the day, and we're going to Cub Foods. We stopped at Dollar Tree. They didn't have cornstarch. Now we're gonna go to Cub Foods, and he's back there. We're gonna go to Cub Foods, see if they have the cornstarch. Actually, he called and they said they do have it. So hopefully you're doing well. Stay safe. Exercise, do different things that can get you engaged and be busy. Don't get too stressed out. I know COVID-19 is still around and to be for a while, so take it easy.
Those of you that are 8, the virus will be gone when you're like 9 or 10.
Hopefully
So
they'll get a vaccine. All right, peace. Enjoy the ride with us, and we'll show you around Cub Foods when we are looking for the cornstarch. All right. You see, the liquor store is open. They have a Chinese, where it says restaurant. It's a Chinese grocery store. It's called Dragon Foods. I buy chicken there, but it stinks because of the seafood. Not a bad stink, but seafood. Now we are driving on rice here. We should be at Cub Foods in probably 6-7 minutes. It's just down the street, probably a mile from here.
Not even a
Right now it says 56, but it feels a lot warmer than that because the sun is out. Cub Foods should be coming up in a couple minutes here. Listening to KMOJ. Yeah, it's a new song. Okay, here's Cub Foods. I'm gonna pause and I'll restart the video when we get inside. All right.